Guys, welcome back to another video here in the Alpha Pack shop. Hope you had a very Merry Christmas and hope you have a happy New Year 2024, guys. Yeah, it's coming and just right around the corner, just a couple days. So anyway, wanted to start it off with my upgrades that I've just done to my 2012 Can-Am Outlander 1000 XT, now XMR Shorty here. And I have done a couple things. I don't know if you can tell yet because I haven't pointed it out, but yeah, it's bigger, guys. It's got a 2-inch lift, bracket lift, and I went ahead and did all Demon axles. So Demon had a sale going on for the holidays and I just couldn't help myself. So I went ahead and got them. So here's the rear. Went ahead and changed the rear diff seals, greased up all my bearings, installed the rear lift. There's the bottom brackets there. There's the plate back there for the swing arm or the sway bar link. And then, well, that's the other side. Yep. So the rear, it does get very close to the frame. So people notch this down here where it's about to hit. You can trace that out and notch it if you want. And let it bash it if you want. I mean, I don't know. I may just cut it. I may or may not. I did have to remove my skids off of my trailing arm, so it was not happening with those. So those had to go. The front here is up here. So there's the front. It goes across. That's how the bracket lift goes on the front. And then I have the forward arched Super ATV arms. And I went ahead and put new front diff seals in there and greased up the hubs and all bearings. And yep, Demons are in. My old axles over here have seen way better days, as you can tell. Look at this. I have put so much goop on here. Holy moly. But it finally broke through and said nope. So dirt got in, started popping, and I said, all right, I got to change. So like I said, for the holidays, they had a sale, and I just had to do it. So went ahead and did all four. There was one issue. The fronts, the clip that goes into the diff on the Demons is too big to go in. So I had to take the OEMs off those, put them on the Demon axles because they were slightly smaller, and they went in like they're supposed to. So yay, finally. And then, yeah, so, but the Demon clips won't go on the OE axles. They won't even go in there because they're too big to fit in that groove. Here's the other side of the front. The tie rods are bent to accommodate for the lift. They're a little bit pain to adjust for alignment. Unless you have your little handy dandy ski tool over here. Yeah, boy. See, full access UTV.com. Yeah, so that's what I use to align it. Should be dead on. So yeah, should be going straight down the road, I hope. But I did have to slime some tires and I haven't broke the axles in. So that's coming next. I got to go run and do that. I did already put the slime in there. These tires, every time I try to go down or move it, anything, they're flat every time. So I'm not gonna dismount them. I'm just gonna slime them and call it a day. So that's what's happening there. So anyways, yeah, y'all let me know in the comments what you think of the Audi build here, the 1000 now XMR short wheelbase. Fitting 32s just fine, even with my modified rival skids. And yeah, let me know in the comments. Might have, if y'all want to see some 34s on this baby, y'all just let me know. So, but anyways, yeah, wanted to update y'all with that. I know it's been a while since I've posted. Just like I said, had a lot going on, but anyway, I'll probably see y'all back in 2024. So look, guys, y'all take it easy.